Hey y'all, I just wanted to come and show my new tripod. So I have a new mannequin tripod. Well, not new, this is my first one. Never had a mannequin tripod. And this is the company that it's from. Has a nice little carrying case on it. Let's see how easy. Ow! That fell on my foot. That hurts. Yo, that thing hurts. This is the part that holds the mannequin. This just hit the top of my foot. That hurts. For real, for real. Hopefully it's nothing too hard to put together. Pretty sturdy feeling. I wish it had some instructions with it. Y'all know I'm a little slow. Let's see, maybe I lost it. No, no instructions, so we just gonna wing it and figure it out. So I'm assuming that's all the way out. Let's see it this way. This part adjusts. So you need it tall, do it like this, and screw it in. I'm short, so we don't need that tall. We're gonna drop it back there. I don't know, what's this pin for? Maybe this pin is for I don't know, I just wish it had some instructions because it looks like the screw right here screws into place to hold it. So then I'm lost on what this part is for. So I don't know what that's for. And then this part screws on like so. I have to loosen it. So then I unloose this to move that around. Now I'm about to put a mannequin on top of it, but don't y'all judge her hair, because she ain't been combed. But this is my kinky HerGivenHair unit. And this mannequin been through a lot, so her hole is a little loose. She a little loose. So I probably would just put a towel over this to add some thickness to this pole to hold her in place. Boom, just like that. And so now I can use it as that one. Then I'm gonna try something else. So I'm gonna take that off and screw this. And that thing gonna kill me. And then I wanna see if my angry mannequin will screw onto just this portion. Nope, I thought she had a hole, but she don't. So what I'm gonna do is, because this is the mannequin that I like to use to make my wigs. So what I'm gonna do is remove this part and try to see if I can get it on there. Unscrew this. It had 3 screws in it. I don't know why I never thought about this before, to see if she would fit on my other mannequin stands anyway. Boom, we have a hole. So we have a hole, so now this part should fit on the part that keep killing my foot. So let's try that out. lost it. So yeah, it looks like I'm in business and my mannequin don't have to keep falling. We just gonna lower this down because the mannequin a little tall and I'm short, so we're gonna screw this into place. Boom. Put baby girl here. I don't know here. If she fits. So yeah, I never knew that could come off, and I've been having that mannequin for a while. So then I don't have to be fighting with her in the chair anymore, falling all over, because she's pretty stable. Let's screw this in. So yeah. Yeah, I'm a little excited about this tripod now. Like, I was excited before when I decided to get the tripod. But now I'm really excited because I know that she can fit on here, because I wasn't quite sure how I was going to work that out because I knew it had that base on it. But that worked well. So yeah, no more. Maybe she won't have an attitude no more since I won't be dropping all the time. But yeah, so this is my new tripod. And I'm excited about it. So I just came back because I went back to the item on Amazon where I purchased it from. I felt like these should stretch out further, and just by looking at the item, because like I said, it didn't come with any instructions. So unscrew this screw, and then these legs stretch out more. I'm assuming if I had a little more strength in my body. There we go, there we go. So then it goes all the way down. Well, not all the way down, but it stretches out more. And that'll be able to adjust the height and everything better. Yeah, so I push this down. Push this down, and pull this up. So push this down, pull this up, and I was able to adjust it. Pushing this down closes it, brings it back up some more. Learn something new. But yeah. Alright, thank y'all for watching.